Yeah, is that kind of where eulogy came from? Because I was listening to that song today, and I felt like it was kind of death of a idea. Am I am I looking too much into
That's
that?
that's an interesting interpretation of it. It's
Okay.
actually it's the song doesn't go very deep below its lyrics. I've been
Mm,
working in harm reduction for years, and not only through my work, but just through being a human being living in a world where people are dying from drugs constantly. That song is was written as kind of a call to action for the policymakers, um, and an opportunity to share with people the reality that our current policies around criminalization and safe supply and lack thereof aren't working and people are dying needlessly. It's about losing friends to a lack of support for mental health. It's about losing friends to drugs. Yeah, the song is just straight up like, this is what's happening, this is what we need to do, and we need to never stop fighting for this. And it actually we were just going in to record that album, and I had a completely different set of lyrics about a completely different thing. And all of a sudden, I was like, I'm just going to do a rewrite. That song came about in such a natural way. And 2 days later, my harm reduction mentor, who got me into this work and really changed my life and a lot of other people's lives, passed away suddenly. So it kind of all came about at this really profoundly beautiful time. And this song became really special to us because, in our travels all over the country into different spaces, when we play that song in our set, I get everyone to take a seat on the floor. I sit on the stage and I get a chance to talk about what's going on in terms of our toxic drug supply and the opioid crisis and just the lack of supports for people struggling. And I ask people to put their hands up if they've lost someone to drugs, if they've lost someone to poor mental health. And everywhere we go, over half the room at least puts up their hands.